toilet keeps backing up and draining slow even after snaking it? Yeah, that's way more common than you think, and it's usually because something's stuck inside the toilet trap or outlet, not necessarily your main plumbing or vents. So here's the deal. Start by pulling the toilet off the floor carefully and turning it on its side to check inside the outlet for any random stuff like toys, bottles, or even a crunched up water bottle that someone flushed by mistake. If you don't see anything visible, try augering the toilet horn from the outlet back towards the bowl because sometimes the clog hides deep in that shaped trap. Also, watch what your tenants flush. No wipes, tampons, or anything besides toilet paper and human waste, because those flushable wipes are a total myth and mess up drains big time. If the shower and other drains are fine, then it usually isn't a venting problem, but could be an object stuck inside that toilet specifically. Keep plunging gently, but don't overdo it or you might make things worse. If the toilet flushes liquids okay but clogs with solids or paper, that's a strong sign something's lodged in there. Lastly, consider calling a plumber if you're not comfortable pulling the toilet yourself, since it can get messy and tricky. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining toilets is ignoring objects stuck in the toilet trap. Fix that by pulling the toilet and checking inside thoroughly. Another common problem is assuming it's a vent pipe issue while forgetting that a capped or blocked vent would affect all drains, not just one toilet. If only one toilet is slow, focus on that toilet first. Lastly, flushing non-flushable items like wipes or feminine products can cause ongoing clogs. Educate tenants or family members about what can and cannot go down the toilet to avoid recurring problems. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors for any home repair or renovation needs. It also helps contractors get real work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills in their area.